There goes my cherry Pepsi.
I know, I was going to say, it's probably gone now. Why are we having so much fun?
Because this is fun. Don't prepare a big one. Mine's stuck.
That was longer than your last one.
Did you hear that?
That's all you said. Oh God.
I bet you could have a farting contest.